Hey Care Gang, here we go again. So as usual, you always want to cleanse the face. And I'm going in and shaping her brows. She hasn't had her eyebrows done in a while. So I'm just taking the eyebrow razor, doing a little cleaning up, a little shaping before I start her makeup. So I'm not taking off any excess hair. I'm literally just shaping it, giving her a nice little arch. I don't like to take a lot of hair off. Once again, I like to just clean it up. Then I'm going to prime and moisturize. She has dry skin, so we're going with the hydrating primer. And I'm going to fill in those brows with the brow pencil today. She has pretty nice brows. One brow is thicker than the other, but again, that's what filling in is all about. Now, for some reason, I did not record the foundation process and the color correcting process. I did use the orange corrector underneath her eyes. But moving forward, we did the foundation, we did the concealer, and we're now setting the face.
Look up at this girl like,
so
let me get my words right, cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan.
Okay, we want to set the whole face. Sometimes, depending on the look, I like to do face before eyes. But if I'm going with the more dramatic look, I would do eyes first. So we're doing a soft contour, nothing harsh. I go in with a smaller brush and then I bring it out with the big brush. Moving on, we're going to go into the eyes next.
I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice.
I took the contour color and I would give her crease. And before I actually finish the eyes, I took the highlight color because I like to put the same highlight in the cheek. I like to put it on the brow bone. So I did the brow bone, I did the cheek, I did the nose, you know what I like. Moving on, she wanted blue eyeshadow. So we played around with a little bit of blue. Something really simple, something really light. I mean, if you want detailed videos on how to, you can take my makeup class. You can also go through previous videos that I do have, because I got a ton of how-to videos. You see that reddish brown right underneath her brow bone? I love that color. I also use that for her blush. Again, I'm not big on blush, because I feel like our blush is blush. Okay, moving on to liner. I use my right liner, but I'm going to leave with those one client. She came with magnetic lashes. Now, I made it the first time ever I've ever used magnetic lashes, and I'm not a fan. So, we use a magnetic liner after apply 2 to 3 coats for putting the extra lashes. And with magnetic lashes, you can't put those lashes. That was one cabinet in your bubble to a they come off so easily. It's not like it's telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's, but you want the lips. What do you do when Captain turn your bubble to a watching. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms at LaFon Homes and LaFon Cares. And again, if you want detailed videos, comment below. Toodles, I love you guys.